Firefighters continued to drive through the French countryside on the lookout for potential danger.
The rain will penetrate deep underground, but there are still some hotspots that can be activated by the wind, as you can see. These are stumps or roots that are still burning underground, and that will need to be taken care of tree by tree.
What they need to do is to get to those sites to find out exactly what's happened underground. What we've seen in previous days is that the fire has been smouldering underground in the peaty soil here, with little wisps of smoke coming to the surface. So it really depends on just to what extent the rain has penetrated the ground to help prevent that. There was a certain amount of rain, 20 to 30 millimetres, with humidity on the rise. You can see around me grey skies and a certain amount of drizzle. That's really going to help conditions, because humidity on the rise, that'll help prevent fires.
People might be shocked. You wouldn't expect to see firefighters setting fire to things. But sometimes you have to fight fire with fire to guarantee the safety of people and their property.
Sweden's dialogue with Turkey is ongoing, and as I have stated earlier, I look forward to strengthening the Swedish-Turkish bilateral relations, including on peace, security, and the fight against terrorism.
Police believe he could have been attempting to rob a bank until things went very, very wrong. His rescue required a lot of heavy-duty equipment and hours of manpower.
Dovuta attenzione perché questo negozio era in fitto, era stato messo in fitto, in locazione, e tutti ci pensavano che i lavori e le persone che vi erano stessero provvedendo alla ristrutturazione del locale.
Developing bilateral relationships, I speak regularly to the EU. We also have the Joint Expeditionary Force collaborating on the security side as well. So we have plentiful and positive relationships with our European friends. Our intention to introduce legislation in the coming weeks to make changes in the protocol. Our preference remains a negotiated solution with the EU. However, to respond to the very grave and serious situation in Northern Ireland, we are clear there is a necessity to act to ensure the institutions can be restored as soon as possible.